Welcome to Website Grader 101. The Website Grader is a tool that can be used to track the overall marketing effectiveness of your website compared to competitors, and just across a number of dimensions here. Just explain before we cover what each of these columns means. You can remove competitors by clicking on the X for that competitor here. I'm going to add a competitor to the tool. Let's say I wanted to track someone else. I would just track SEO Moz, for example, and I'll just click on Add. While the tool is gathering all the information, let me just explain what the columns mean here. The website grade is the overall score for your website compared to other websites that we've graded with Website Grader, and it's based on the following dimensions: the Google page rank of the site, the Alexa rank of the site, the Technorati rank, the number of inbound links, the Delicious save count, and the number of Google index pages. The Google page rank is a number from 1 to 10. It's a number assigned by Google that basically reflects the authority of your website. Most websites tend to be in the 4, 5, 6 range. There's very few 9s and 10s. A new website will typically be a 0, and it might take a period of 6 months or so before the website gains a higher page rank. The Alexa rank is similar to the Nielsen ratings for offline television. This is it's a number. The lower the number, the higher the traffic. It's basically a measure of the traffic to your website. An Alexa rank of 77,335 indicates that Small Business Hub is the 77,307. Small Business Hub is the 77,000th most trafficked website, most visited website on the web, approximately. The Technorati rank, Technorati is a search engine for blogs. The Technorati rank is very similar to the page rank, but just as calculated by Technorati. The number of inbound links to your site is the total number of external websites who have added links that point at some page on your website. Delicious.com is a social bookmarking site where there's millions of people who save websites for later viewing. This company is owned by Yahoo. 91 for Small Business Hub means the Small Business Hub has been bookmarked by folks using the Delicious website 91 times. The number of Google index pages is the total number of pages on your website that Google's added to its index. For each of these dimensions and for the overall score, there is a clock icon, and when you click that, so this is the SEO Moz that I've just added here. So now their SEO Moz has now been added, so I can track them as well. What you can do is you can click on the clock icon to get a history graph of how you've been faring compared to competitors. So you can see that Small Business Hub is in green, and it's been fairly consistent, had a bit of a dip here, and it's held fairly constant. SEO Moz has moved around more, had kind of a lower period here, and this is just since September 28th. I can also change this date range just by clicking on and changing and then hitting reload chart. I'm going to click the back button to return to the summary view, and let's just take a look at how the Alexa rank has changed over time. I'll click on the history, And you see kind of a different picture here. So Small Business Hub is just not getting as much traffic as SEO Moz, for instance, or as HubSpot.com. Though there was kind of a large jump here. For more information about Website Grader, visit success.hubspot.com.